In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra baggage on Air India. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to learn how to add extra baggage is to go to their website at airindia.com, hover over Prepare to Travel, and then click Baggage Guidelines. You will be redirected to this page that has various articles helping you understand their baggage. All you have to do now is scroll down until you find this article, Prepaid Baggage Charges. Click Learn More underneath it, and as you can see, you will get all the instructions that you need to add extra baggage. You have the options to pay online, pay over the phone, or pay in person, so choose whichever one is best for you. You can click Manage Booking if you want to do this process online, and you will have to sign into your account before being able to manage your specific booking, or alternatively, you can call their customer support at one of the available numbers in working hours. But as long as you follow the guidelines presented here and you are aware of all the prices, you will be able to contact them and learn how to add extra baggage. I hope I was able to help you on how to add extra baggage in Air India. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.